Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button below. Would love to have you as a subscriber on the channel. We're working our way towards 2,500, so let's get that number up, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, welcome to another 2.5 episode. If you are new to the channel, I've been working on a 2.5 swap for my NC Miata, and this is the 4th episode, I think, so super exciting stuff. To catch you up real quick, a couple weeks ago, I picked up this 2.5 engine from a Ford Fusion. It's got about 45,000 miles on it. It's pretty nice, it's new. Been stocking parts up for it for quite a while now. Recently, I picked up an engine stand, so we need to get this engine on the stand, and we're also gonna do a little bit of kind of maintenance stuff to it. I got a new oil filter housing. We gotta put on a rear main seal, and we're just gonna kind of start taking apart the engine. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, and so our engine stand is all assembled. What we're going to do next is I'm gonna try to remove this flywheel here, and I think we're gonna work on the rear main seal. One thing I'm missing are bolts to attach the stand to the engine. So I can do a few things on the ground right now, which I'll go ahead and show you. Simple stuff, so let's get started working on this engine. All right, what we're gonna do first is I have this new oil filter housing. So we're going to remove this old one and throw the new one on. There's a slight difference in the way that these look. The NC one is a little bit thinner, and it's just gonna fit in the engine bay better. I think that's what it's for. I just know it's in the instructions. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit so we can fit the gasket on it, and then we'll throw on the new one. Part one of the engine is done. That's exciting. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to try to take off this flywheel here and get to the rear main seal. So one thing that I did pick up was this breaker bar, and I got impact sockets just to be safe, because I don't know how hard it is to get off, but I watched a Chris Fix video on how to get this off, so we're going to kind of do the little trick that he showed in his video. And we're going to work these guys off. There's the rear main seal right there. So just for comparison, Here's the new one, obviously, and the old one. So just going to go ahead and place back on, place the new one on there. All right, rear main seal is done. Next on our list right here is the thermostat and the housing for the thermostat. So I got this one right here. This is just new. All of the things I've gotten are just OEM replacement stuff. So we're going to unbolt this guy, throw on our new one, and knock that one out as well. I guess I should have expected that. All right, our new thermostat and thermostat housing is on. So we got 3 things done today. So I would call today a success. We got 3 important things done on the new 2.5 engine. We did the thermostat with the thermostat housing. We did the rear main seal. And third, we did the new oil filter housing with the new gasket. You know, I get to mark those off the list, call it a success, and we're well on our way to getting this engine ready to be swapped in the car, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I hope you learned a little something from this video. I just wanted to show that kind of the point of this series is to show that, you know, you can do this at home if you want to with basic tools. I did have to buy some engine lifts and things like that, but hopefully next week we can get the bolts for the engine stand and get the engine onto the stand so we can really start digging into it, removing wiring harnesses and things like that. Be sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button below to stay up to date, and hit the bell so you're notified when the new 2.5 videos come out. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out then. Simple video today, hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your likes, leave your comments, tell me if I did something wrong, hopefully I didn't. But yeah, see you guys next week.